Alicia Tech Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
How you can earn money without any investment, and this is free sign up, and if you sign up this game, then it will give you the dollars, and entry dollars are there, and earn money online. If you spin, you have a lot of items, and you can spin, you can play the cards, and jackpot is there, and you can have maths problems, and if you solve them, then you can win a lot of things. And this is quiz game, and after this you have uh, Curry or something. What is the name of this? If you spin, then you spin, you can earn 7,500, 3,000, 1,500, 6,000, 2,500, 1,000, 3,500. Then if you spin, then you can get the money and coins from this jackpot. And after this, if you have excessive, then you just can limited exceed. Then if you this is your first time, then it will give you money. And after this, you can have this scratch card. If you scratch cards, then you can just win the money also, and you can get 200 or 500 coins. And for enter this game, you can just have one coin or $1, and this maths questions are there. If you solve them, then you can collect money also. And this is quiz and next game, and Koreka. You can see that there are a lot of options for you, and how you can withdraw your money. Then you can just have your name, contact number, and if you are Indian, then you can put paytm number. And if you are not Indian, then you can just make PayPal address, and you can just receive your money. And from this PayPal, you can have a lot of options, other options. I will tell you in my next video that if you have PayPal card or PayPal account, then you can just change PayPal money from you can exchange money, and you have a lot of things to withdraw, and you can take withdraw. And if you spin this, then you can just you can get 150, more than 150 diamonds. You can see the options are there, and if you haven't any skill, then you can just win